Good morning guys, right in front of me I've got two amazing trading opportunities. We have Helium and we have Flare. I've been trading them personally, as you guys saw in my last video. I put in 2 shorts and today we're talking about those shorts, when to cash out, what to do, especially if you missed the trade, then what do you do now? Looking at the trades, we can see that the Helium trade is in 24% profit, or well, 23.5% profit. That is looking really, really good just in a couple of days. This was very well timed. We're going to talk about that in a minute because it just broke down on a support level. It's pretty much the same way for Flare as well. We got 12% profit right here. Altogether, we're looking at 35% profit in a few days, and that is just massive, especially in the volatility that we have here looking at the Bitcoin short. If we look at the 1 month short, we saw the pump all the way up to 73k and then all the way back to 62k. It's really easy to get caught up in this and lose a lot of money. We didn't do that. We nailed it completely. We don't follow the hype. We follow what the market and what the graphs are doing. Looking at Helium here, we put in a short right about here and we can see it broke down on the support level. What we're doing is looking at support and resistance levels and following the trend. That's pretty much all we're doing. It's looking really, really simple. But as you guys can see, 35% profits in a few days. That is massive. Looking at Flare here, we have the same thing. It broke down on the support level. And the reason for why we can be so comfortable knowing that it will break down is, one, because of Bitcoin. It actually crashed quite a bit from 73 or 74k all the way down to 62k. If Bitcoin were to pump, this would probably bounce, but then we would have to cancel the trade. At most, we would lose a few percentages of our trade. But in this case, we're up 35% instead in just a couple of days. That is absolutely amazing. The really cool part here, however, is that we are not done yet. We are still in a confirmed downtrend, especially on the 4-hour time frame. Same with Helium, downtrend on the 4-hour time frame. If we look at the daily time frame, the downtrend is confirmed and it would look the same on Flare as well. It broke down the uptrend for a really long while, especially here on Flare. It broke down on the support level in a solid downtrend. What we can do now is just ride the downtrend. But the thing that I will keep in mind here is I'm gonna cash out when it breaks into an uptrend on the 4-hour time frame. It might mean that I will not precisely exactly time the bottom, but it also means that I won't sell randomly and gamble. I'll actually have a strategy and stick to it and follow it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait and see here. We're gonna keep on following the downtrend. We're gonna get as much money as possible as we can from these trades. We actually got multiple support levels here on Helium when you look at it. Right around here seems to be one, like 5.5 and the 6th level. No, it's right around the 6th level actually. So if it breaks down on the 6th level as well, we're looking at massive profits for Helium, above 50% in one trade. For Flare, we also got some support levels here, the 0.03 level that it has bounced on. So let's mark that here on the chart. There we go. So it's now been bouncing here. It could bounce in between here, but that is the cool part. We are gonna be in profit no matter what, so we can just relax, see where it goes next. As long as it's in the downtrend, it's gonna continue down. If it swaps into an uptrend on the 4-hour time frame, that's when we're gonna look at our trade and maybe cash out. But for now, we're just gonna ride it down and get as much money as possible. If you miss this trade, then what do you do? What I would do personally is I would wait for a trend reversal. If Bitcoin pumps, if this goes into an uptrend, then you can start trading that. But jumping into a trade randomly like this is gonna be gambling, and most likely if it pumps from here, you're just gonna end up losing a bunch of money. So what I would do is just wait for a trend reversal and then put in your positions. That's basically the name of the game. It's the trends in combination with the support and resistance levels, and that's what we got right here. Personally, we're just waiting for the right moment to cash out. We don't want to miss out on too many gains, but we don't want to lose the gains that we have now either. So we're keeping a track on the trend on the 4-hour time frame. And we're looking at the support and resistance level that has just formed here on Helium. Flare, it's the exact same thing. It's kind of cool that these two projects are aligning so close to each other. And we can basically do the same thing on both of them. And we are using Bitcoin as a marker. If Bitcoin shoots into the heavens right now, goes above 70K, 80K, then I'd probably close these shorts because Bitcoin's probably gonna pull these up as well. So that's what we're doing. That's the update for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.